So today, the sun is really weird right now. I have decided to let my kids, who are 3 and 6, pick out my hair color. I decided I'm ready to dye my hair. I always say, like, I'm growing it out. I need to stop coloring it because it's completely dead, which is true. That's why it's so short right now. But I just hate, like, how it's fading. I would show you guys right now, but it's in a ponytail, so I'll show you before I dye it, obviously. But, like, you can just tell, like, it's completely, like, turning yellow. The top is, oh, you can't see that. The top is as well. It's basically the bottom that kind of just stays, like, a little bit darker because it's not quite as damaged as the top. So we are going to go to the beauty supply store here in just a little bit. I'm gonna let them pick out the color. I'm hoping they don't pick out, like, green or something because my hair is red. It's clearly not going to turn out well if they pick green. I have no idea what they're gonna pick. I'm not gonna say this in front of them because I don't want them to have the idea of picking out green. So anyways, I'm hoping maybe they'll pick out purple or red or obviously something like that. Anyways, we shall find out. I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back. When we were at the store, Max picked out like a bluey purple color. It's called B to Z, so Be on the Zone. Colored Jams. He picked up Pastel Island Sky. We'll see if it does anything to his hair. I didn't bleach it or anything, so anywho, that's why my hands are like this. So finally, after picking out his own color, he picked up my color. We are going with Color Charm Paints. This is Wella color, and it is Blood Orange. This is semi-permanent, which I need because my hair is completely just trashed. So, not that it's going to be good for my hair, but I think it'll be better than permanent. Also, my hair fades like a mofo. So, doesn't matter if it's permanent or not, my hair is going to fade just the same. It's absurd how fast my hair fades. My hair looks so crazy right now. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm going to mix this with 10 volume and then put it in my hair. I think I'm going to wait probably the full 25 minutes this time and see what happens. I don't know how bright it's going to turn. This isn't one of those that's for dark hair. This is strictly just blood orange. So yeah, it's not going to turn as bright as like this box or anything, but we shall see what happens. So yeah, here is the before. And I'm going to mix it and I will color it and show you guys afterwards. I'm going to do it really fast. You guys have seen many of my color videos. So let me do all this. I'll speed it up for you and then I'll be back. We'll see what happens. What do you guys think? Here is the final result. I focused more on the ends. I didn't even actually get like the new growth. I think I maybe got like the very center part, but the rest of it I didn't even get. Only because my hair is already kind of red on top and it's not permanent. It's not for dark hair. So of course it wasn't gonna actually change the darker hair on top. So I focused on the bottom part that was fading. So here is what we have. This is blood orange. So it's kind of red, kind of orange. To me it's more red, but what do you guys think? Final result, I like it. It's gonna fade fast. My hair always fades really fast and it's semi-permanent, so, you know. Anyways, I think it's cute for now. Yeah, we'll see what's next. Let me know down below what you guys think I should do next. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.